There's an old dog in Angelbu named Buck, who's very good at making woolen hats. Legend has it that wearing a beautiful hat in Angelbu will attract the angels.
Welcome to Buck's hat.
Which one to use?
Wow, this one! Hey, don't touch it!
Sorry, Mr. Buck. I want to
Even
the woman
so,
statue in the
don't
water,
touch it.
Master. I'm just afraid she'll leave me. Susie.
Wait!